In the previous tutorial, we have covered middlewares and the way we can write our own ones. But there is a collection of already written by PHP community middlewares. And if you want to use some of them with ReactPHP, there is no need to re-implement them by yourself. We can use a package called PSR-15 Middleware Adapter, which helps us to integrate PSR-15 middleware into our ReactPHP application. Let's say that we want to log a client IP address. There is no need to manually pass different headers to extract a client's IP. Instead, we can use an already written middleware. So we require client IP middleware and an adapter. Well, here we have a pretty simple server, and it already has two middlewares. One for login and another to return an actual response. And in a login middleware we want to log a client's IP. That means that we need to place one more middleware before a login one. But we can't directly use client IP middleware, because it doesn't have the signature that ReactPHP requires. In this way, we need to wrap this middleware into an adapter. We provide the loop and the middleware class name. That's it, done. Now in a login middleware, we have access to the request attribute called client IP, which contains a detected IP address. Let's prove that it works. Start the server and make a request. So it works. Let's pull one more PSR-15 middleware. For example, a middleware for redirects. And here is installation. Stop the server and require package. Notice that this middleware has some requirements. PSR-7 HTTP library. We have a list here, for example Guzzle. Doesn't have any installation instructions. OK, we can check compose.json file. Copy a package name and require it. Then let's say that we want to perform a redirect from page secret to the root path. In a middleware docs it looks like this, an array of paths. So, again we wrap a middleware in the adapter and we use the third argument to specify any middleware constructor arguments. Notice that we need a doubled array here, because redirect middleware constructor requires an array, and this argument also should be provided inside an array of constructor arguments. Restart the server and request a secret page. You see that the server has returned a response with a redirect. When using more than one PSR-15 middleware in a row, for performance reasons, it is recommended to group them together. So the previous example can be rewritten like this. We create an instance of grouped PSR-15 middleware class and then call method with middleware. One for client IP and another for redirect. Restart the server. Check redirect. It works. Check logging. It also works. That's it. We have covered the way you can use PSR-15 middleware in your ReactPHP applications.